Hello everyone and welcome to a new SupaElements tutorial. Today I'll talk to you about the craziest feature this app offers, the Headless Dynamic Element, or SupaAction. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified whenever new app tutorials are available. And make sure to set your video quality to HD for the best viewing experience. This feature allows you to create fast and advanced actions automatically triggered by specific conditions. You can create any action or reaction in the checkout anytime the conditions you define are met, such as adding items, setting attributes to the cart, applying or removing discounts, and/or gifting from the checkout as you please. But let's see how it works. From the SupaElements dashboard, we can create a new element either from the button here at the top right or directly from the Checkout Elements window using this Create button. Now, in the Dynamic Elements section, choose SupaActions or Headless and click on this button. This will open the configuration page. The first thing to decide is the title, which is mandatory and will be used to connect it to our checkout later. Then, we define the condition under which the action will be triggered if it is met. We can also create multiple conditions and decide whether to make both mandatory using the AND button here or make them optional using the OR button. In this example, we'll use only one condition and choose Cart contains products. Thanks to the Set Value button, we can conveniently use the picker to select which products are necessary. In our case, I will select these 3 products. You can also choose the quantities of the products you want in the cart, but we will keep it at the default setting. Now let's choose the action that our SupaAction will trigger. Click on Action here and then this blue Add Action button. This will show a new section. Click on Add Item to Cart here and a simple picker menu will appear. As you can see, you have the possibility to choose the best action to associate with this condition. We will choose Remove Discount Code. But feel free to take your time to explore all the options we offer to find what best suits your needs. By clicking on Set Value here in the Codes window, I can add the discount code I want to remove from the cart, and I'll use the code POP. Of course, the discount code needs to be already created and active in your store. The last window gives us the possibility to schedule the offer for a specific period of time, whether days or just a few hours, but for now, we'll leave it turned off. Okay, now I will activate this dynamic element here and click Save. Our offer is ready. Let's copy the name of the element and set it in the checkout page. Usually we need to decide the position of our offer. To do this, we go directly to customize the checkout page of our store, grab the SupaElements app block, and drop it wherever we prefer. But since this is a SupaAction, we will place it on top. Now let's connect the element. Open the element by clicking on it, and here in Element Name, we paste the title of our newly created element. We save the page, and we're done. Our element is now running on our checkout. Let's see what it looks like in our store. From the store, I go to buy one of the products I selected in the condition and move to the checkout. Here, as the checkout loads, nothing will show. But as soon as I try to add the discount code, you can see that it will be removed automatically. Simple and easy. Of course, if the product in the cart does not match our condition, the discount code will be applied regularly, as it should be, as you can see. With SupaElements, it is really easy and fast to create powerful special actions of any kind for your customers in the checkout. With a few simple clicks, you will be able to personalize the experience for your customers and have full control over your checkout. Ready to improve your customers' shopping experience? Activate any plan and remember you have a 7-day free trial to test it. If you need help, our support team is always available and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get notified whenever new app tutorials are available.